Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. What do you get when you combine a $200,000 Lamborghini Huracan and a $600,000 gyro-stabilized camera rig? There's no trick questions here. The result is the fastest camera car in the world, and a reality check for every GoPro-wielding weekend warrior with dreams of cinematic glory. Movie and television production companies have long used unorthodox cars and trucks behind the scenes for high-speed camera work. See the Subaru WRX recently used in the filming of Deadpool 2, for example, and this Huracam is the latest and greatest to join this proud lineage. It was built by an outfit called Incline Dynamic Outlet, which is known for its expertise in aerial cinematography and, crucially, the gimbal technology used to capture those dramatic, sweeping shots from above. Still, making Top Gear-level car films isn't as simple as strapping a helicopter camera to the hood of a Lambo. Edo Ariels wrote on Instagram that it took months to develop and fabricate the frame and camera controls. That's over $500,000 in camera equipment dangling over the supercar's front end, so a lot of time and effort went into making sure the platform would be as rock-solid as possible during performance driving situations. The gimbal is from a company called Gyro-Stabilized Systems, while the camera is reportedly a Red 8K body. These are professional-tier pieces of kit, so whatever this Lamborghini ends up filming, you can bet it's going to look pretty damn good. It's also going to be fast, with around 600 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque coming from that V10 engine and an unencumbered top speed of 201 miles per hour. The Huracan is built to hunt big game. A camera on its hood might slow it down somewhat, though there's no doubt this is the fastest purpose-built camera car in the world right now. Bugatti repurposed the spare Chiron to film its top speed run last year, but that was a one-time deal, a guest director. This author is just getting started. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.